making the James Bond jalapeno popper chicken. We're gonna start with a 13 by 9 greased baking dish. Some of you say 9 by 13. We say 13 by 9 here in the UK. All right, now that we have the chicken in there, we're going to take our garlic salt straight from the shores of Leeds. Shaken, you know the rest. Make sure you put ample amount of garlic salt over the chicken. All right, now that we've got that done, we have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese that we're going to put over the top of each piece of chicken. This is where we get our jalapeno popper. You gotta have cream cheese to make it poppin'. How's this looking to you, mate?
This is looking great.
I agree. Handy spatula. All right. So now you're gonna wanna smooth the cream cheese over the top of each thin slice of chicken breast. It's looking yummy and creamy. Oh yeah. This is looking good. All right, so now it's in the name, the jalapenos. We're gonna spread a generous amount of jalapenos over the top of these chickens. Now, some people, if you don't like it, it's spicy. I like it spicy and, you know, lots of jalapenos on there. But if you don't, you could dice these up and have a smaller amount over the top. But for me, I want the juice. I want the seeds. I want everything over the top of this. I want it spicy. I mean, if it's a jalapeno popper dish, I really want it popping in my mouth. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As you can see from Trader Joe's, great company. All right, now that we have those on there, we have some crumbled bacon pieces that we're going to put over the top of that. Now we're talking. Woo. Looks good, huh?
Very good.
Okay. Now that we have that going on, we're going to take it over the oven. We have it at 350. We're going to put it in there for 45 minutes, and then we have one more step to this recipe. So we'll come back in 45 minutes. All right, let's see how it's looking. It's looking amazing. That's what I think. Wow, look at that. It smells good. Wow. Yes. Okay, we have one more step before it's actually ready. We're gonna take about 1/2 of this bag, which is a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar. We're gonna just put it over the top. Just put it over the top, just like that. See what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it?
I see it.
Okay, so now we're going to put it back in the oven for just 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. And then we'll come back and it should be bubbling. All right, so let's look at this final product of what we made. This is beautiful, people. The James Bond jalapeno poppers. Oh my gosh, I smell the bacon. Okay, I think it's time to try. I know it just came out of the oven, but what do you think?
It looks great.
Do you happen to have, well, I'll just use this knife here. I bet it's nice, tender and good. Okay, here we go. I want to get a good piece. Let's do this one. I need a jalapeno in it. I need some cheese. I need all this stuff. Actually, make it, I don't want to eat over the, I'm a gentleman. I don't want to eat over the casserole dish. So I'll eat over this, I'll admit. delightful. This is really good. Okay, this is for real good. It's very good.